My name's Fernando Dubovi. I'm an immigration attorney, and I want to cover for the next few minutes some of the key points in President Trump's executive order on immigration that he signed on April 22nd of this year. The effective date for the order is April 23rd, 2020. Some of the key points. First of all, the executive order does not affect persons in the United States. It only affects persons outside the United States after April 23rd, 2020. Second, the executive order does not affect spouses of U.S. citizens. So if you're in line to get your residency through your U.S. citizen spouse, you will not be affected by this executive order. Third, the executive order does not affect persons applying for political asylum. So if you're applying for political asylum, or if you're in Mexico waiting for your political asylum appointment in the United States, you will not be affected by this executive order. In a lot of ways, President Trump's executive order is a toothless proclamation. First of all, the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services offices in the United States have been closed since March, and for now will remain closed until June 4th. Those offices also only affect persons who are in the United States getting their residency, and the proclamation does not affect persons already in the United States. Second, the American consulates abroad, including the American consulate in Ciudad Juarez, where thousands of Mexicans have to go every year to get their residency, will not be affected. The consulate has been closed since March 18th, and it will remain closed indefinitely. So for those persons awaiting their appointments outside the country, it will not be affected. And if those persons are in the United States awaiting their appointment in Ciudad Juarez, they're not affected anyway because they were in the United States before the April 22nd proclamation date. Finally, immigration courts are closed, and immigration hearings for non-detainee have been canceled at least through May 15th, 2020. My advice to my clients who are calling me, and we have been getting lots of calls from lots of scared people, are number one, don't worry. There's going to be a lot of litigation involved on President Trump's orders. I expect a lot of his decisions and orders there'll be injunctions stopping him from being able to pursue some of these orders. Many of my people won't be affected. If you're in the United States getting your residency in the United States, this will not affect you. If you're in the United States before April 22nd and you're awaiting your final appointment outside the United States, maybe at the American consulate in Ciudad Juarez, you will not be affected either. This only affects persons outside the United States as of April 22nd.